how to fix zoomed Instagram stories. Now normally whenever you're trying to take a story on Instagram using your camera like this, you just go ahead and long press to hold it, but it is quite zoomed compared to a normal one. Now on Instagram stories you cannot actually utilize your ultra wide camera, right? Which is why you have this type of issues. So the best thing would be that if your Instagram story is too zoomed out or cropped out, you can simply make use of your default camera app itself. Go to the videos tab, which has got more spaces available, and you can choose to utilize the ultra wide camera and record the video, and it will make it quite wider. It'll give you a wider field of view. Then now you can go to your Instagram and you can choose to upload that new video that you recorded from your camera instead of just directly recording it within Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.